Hello there, Jack here from Porsche Centre Chester. This week we are doing our first video of our new series, Tech Tuesdays. For the first video in this series, we are going to be basing it on comfort access for this lovely Taycan Turbo S in Mambo Green here, the Cross Turismo. We're just going to be explaining how it works and what it does. Arguably, one of the most useful features of comfort access is allowing you to lock and unlock the car without use of the key. With comfort access, to unlock the car, it's just a simple gesture of putting your hand underneath the door handle and it pops like that. And to lock it again, it's just a simple gesture of tapping your thumb on the dimple on the door handle like so. The next feature of comfort access is the ability to open both of the boots with a simple gesture again. The gesture to open the front is swiping your hand across the bumper in between the Porsche badge and your registration plate. Really useful for this time of year, loading the boot up with all of the presents of course, and the gesture to do so is just by walking up to the middle of the boot and almost a kick into the middle. And to close it, you just repeat the same action. Those are the main features of comfort entry. Now let me show you how to turn it on in the car. From the home screen, you just need to go into your settings, then scroll down and select car. And then in car, you'll see vehicle locking system. Once you're here, these two are the most important ones to have ticked on. Thanks for watching this video. If you've got any questions on this particular feature, just let us know. We'll be happy to help, or any other features you'd like to see in future Tech Tuesdays. Thank you.